What's going down? I am the Style Pilot. I'm here today to show you guys one of my new pickups, the Gucci Rython logo sneaker, which is basically the dad shoe that they have. They have a bunch of them. This is one in particular kind of grew on me. I'll be honest, I thought these shoes for some reason, all of the dad shoes, I thought they were hideous, but they're just slowly growing on me. Me seeing, regardless of what you may say, like Instagram and social media and other things, man, they really influence your mind. Like if you if you continue to see something over and over and over, you go from it's hideous to it's all right to I will wear it if somebody gave it to him to oh my god, like I gotta have them because you start to think about possibilities of what you can wear with them if you're in the style and shit. And then you like, yo, I need to try these out. So guess what I did? I tried them out. Now, I normally, honestly, you guys seen one of my videos in the past where I bought sneakers that I regretted, and this shoe may end up being one of those shoes that I regret. But hey, man, sometimes you got to try it out, and I really like these. I started thinking of, excuse me, guys. I started thinking of different outfits I could put together with. I started seeing guys wearing like full suits with the shoes, or like trousers with them with the stripe down the side. And I'm just like, yo, you can just throw these on and force it. Like, it may sound crazy, but sometimes when you just force something on your outfit or force an accessory, you'd be surprised that when you look back at pictures of yourself or you see a picture of yourself when you go out or whatever, or other people are complimenting it. But you're really supposed to wear it for yourself. But like I said, these sneakers are something I was willing to take a risk on because they grew on me. All right, so they're called, let me make sure I got it right, y'all. I don't want to tell y'all wrong, okay? Make sure I got it right. It says, on the Gucci website, it says the Rython Gucci logo leather sneaker, which is basically their dad shoe, one of the many dad shoes that they have. Now, when I saw it, I was like, man, why would they make this shoe and just stamp a retro logo on it? Right, well, this is the box. I already showed you. This is the top. Of course, all Gucci joints, the top is like that. They used to have the brown one with the monogram on it, but they changed it. And this is pretty cool. Now, about sizing. You got to know in Gucci, I wear a 13 and a half. Okay, I might throw on a 14 just depending on the shoe. In Gucci, I could wear an 11 and a half Gucci sometimes to a 12. Anything over there is too big. But sometimes in dress shoes, it just varies. So it's very important when you're about to invest in buying an expensive piece like this. Make sure you go into the store if you can and try it on. Even though with Gucci, if they send it to you, doesn't try, you can send it back. No big deal. But I wear a Gucci 12 in these. Okay, I tried on 11 and a half. It was a little bit too snug. I could wear it, but I like to have room and wiggle space, toe wiggle space in my shoes. So this is basically it. This is the shoe. Okay. And it has the logo on right here. Let me move y'all a little bit closer so maybe you can see. Maybe the lighting is better. You know my lighting is horrible. I got to get that right. But this is the shoe right here. It has a logo like the t-shirts that everyone's wearing right now. The logo on it is right here. The shoestrings are pretty thick. I don't know. I haven't even looked to see if it's an extra pair. Man, I already done put some on these. I already done dirty these up. Look at me. I got to get my Crep Protect action going. But yeah, this is the other side of it. And it's just basically a plain sneaker. Now, this is not completely white. It's cream. It's more of a cream color. Right? In the bag, typical like plastic bag over it. And then they also have dust bags in here. One big dust bag. Oh, I got two of them. So it has a Gucci logo on the dust bag. Here's the other shoe. Let's see what they give. They always give you the little thing in there. I guess it's like the treatment tag or something. Where is that at? Here's my receipt, and I'll show you that. Where's the treatment tag at, man? Oh, here it is. They give you a little treatment tag. I don't see any extra strings in here though. I don't know what's up with that. You know, you can't just walk into Gucci and like, hey, give me some strings. But maybe someone that tried them on the store took them. I don't know. Maybe they're in here. I don't have time to play Find Nemo to find these damn strings. But let me show you the sneaker a little bit more. These are freaking dope. What does it say on the? Let me show you the real quick. Let me show you this real quick. I know some of you guys are into all that. Let me get my lighting right. Y'all know I ain't good at this shit. But here's all the, I guess the branding or the SKU of it and all that stuff. Let's see what it says. It says Apollo. It says Apollo Ivory or something. I don't know. Ivory. Oh, okay, it's ivory, so that means it's off-white. Don't know the real style number. Oh, okay, here it is. 500877DRWOO. Okay, and the price on these was $820. $820 before tax. And like I said, guys, like I told you guys before, like all of this is about what you want. If you can invest in it and it's something you want, go ahead. If you're spending your last dime on it, don't do it. Okay? But these are a pair of sneakers I had my eye on for a while. I was hoping and waiting and praying that they came out with these in a black with the same logo. But when they came out in black, the logo changed. And it wasn't as dope as these are to me, in my opinion. They fit true to size, man. Honestly. Let me put them on my feet. Try them on. Put them in your face real quick. Look at that. Look at my ankles. You see how smooth those ankles are? Look at that. And that's the bottom of them. Guys, I'm gonna keep it all the way 100 with you guys. Like, all of these dad shoes that I tried on, like high-end dad shoes, like especially the Balenciagas, they look like a sailboat on your feet. Because I wear a 13, and it's real big on my feet. If you got a small foot, it'll look good. But those shoes and these are extremely comfortable. And believe it or not, if you're a short guy, it gives you a whole inch of height. Like, they're that thick. Even with these. Like, I tried these on and put on one foot, and it lifted me up. So if you're a shorter guy, this will give you some height instead of wearing boots. The hard thing about this, if you're in the style, man, is what do you wear with it? And I always say, when you got a dope piece and you can't think of what to wear, just force the shit. If you got on some jeans and a blazer, throw these on. If you got on some sweats, throw these on. You got on some shorts, just throw them on, wear them. Okay? These are trendy and they might not last. Like, guys, you can check this video a year from now, 6 months from now, and nobody will, it'll be something totally different. But I think these are dope, and I'm going to keep these for a long time. And with something like this, at the least, if I get tired of them later on in life, I can always sell them online for at least half and get half, clean them up real good or something. But I plan on keeping these. Like, all of my shoes, even the shoes that I don't like, later on down the line, I keep them because you never know when stuff comes back in style. Or you wear it later on down the line just randomly, and it's freaking awesome when you go in your closet and like, oh, I got these, I forgot. Or it can be a part of a costume piece, whatever. But these are dope, man. And regardless, if you guys have never tried any of these on, trust me, like, you guys like Ultra Boost and all that stuff and Yeezy Boost, these are almost as comfortable as those, believe it or not. All right, so too bad I'm not good at editing and stuff yet. I'll give you some cutaways with outfits and stuff. We'll get there one day. But I want to show you guys a pickup. All right, that's pretty much it. If you want to follow me on Instagram at Thestylepilot. If you want to email me, ask me any questions about these shoes, you can email me as well at thestylepilot@gmail.com. And remember, you are the flyest motherfucker on earth, man. I'll see y'all later. Peace out. You heard?